Ready to ditch the tedious copy-pasting and finally automate your workflow between Google Sheets and Basecamp? Let's jump straight into Zapier and create a brand new Zap by clicking on the Create Zap button on the left side of your screen. First, we need to set up our trigger, which is the event that starts our Zap search for Google Sheets, and select it as your trigger app. Now, choose the trigger event. In this case, let's select New Spreadsheet Row and click Continue. Connect your Google Sheets account to Zapier. If you've already connected it, select it from the drop-down. If not, follow the prompts to grant Zapier access, then click Continue. Next, select the specific spreadsheet and worksheet you want to monitor. For new rows, make sure your sheet has column headers, then press the Continue button. It's test time. Click Test Trigger to pull in a sample row from your spreadsheet. This helps Zapier understand your data structure. Great, the trigger's set up. Now let's set up the action, which is what happens when a new row is added. Search for Basecamp and select it as your action app. Choose your action event. Let's select Create To-Do Item. This means every new row in Google Sheets will create a new to-do in Basecamp, and click Continue. Connect your Basecamp account similar to Google Sheets. Select an existing connection or follow the prompts to connect a new one and click Continue. Now, customize the to-do item using the data from your Google Sheet. Select your Basecamp account, project, and to-do list. Then, use the drop-down menus to map the appropriate Google Sheet columns to the to-do item's name, description, and any other relevant fields. One last test. Click Test Action to send a test to-do to your Basecamp account. This will verify that your connection and mapping are correct. Fantastic! If the test is successful, click Publish Zap to turn your Zap on and start automating. You've now successfully connected Google Sheets to Basecamp using Zapier, saving yourself time and effort.